So today's recipe is making pancake. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. One tablespoon of baking powder. A pinch of baking soda. A pinch of salt. Now mix it together. Take an egg. And mix it. After mixing, keep it aside and deal with liquid ingredients. Take 250 ml of milk. Add half tablespoon of butter. Few drops of vanilla essence. Exact amount of 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And mix it. Now slowly add milk mixture to the dry ingredients and whisk it. Repeat this process until it becomes soft and lumps free. The batter should be very soft and fluffy. Keep whisking.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crack a pop, mind fried to a crisp, make an MC into a wide-eyed.
We need this consistency to make a soft and fluffy pancake. You can see it becomes very soft. very smooth now. Now heat a non-stick pan. Grease the pan with butter, olive oil or ghee. I'm using ghee here. Now just pour the batter with a ladle on the pan and let it spread. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 minutes with low flame. After 2 minutes, just open the lid and you will see the bubbles starts to appear. Now check it with a toothpick. If toothpick is not stick with batter, then that means it's perfect. Or if it sticks with batter, then keep it for several minutes. Now just turn it over and cook for 1 minute. Press it with a spatula. It will help to cook it inside. Now just take it and make a pile on the plate and repeat the process for the rest of the batter. Now add honey or maple syrup to enhance its taste. Thank you for watching. Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. आपको मेरा रेसिपी कैसा लगा कमेंट करके बताइए। वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड पे। टिल देन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू ऑल, थैंक यू।